Hi, boys and girls. How are you doing today? Miss Terry, hope everything is well. This month, we're talking about farm animals. Okay? And I have some friends here. Say hello, friends. Okay? So, I want to talk about the animals on the farm. And today, while we're learning this lesson about the animals on the farm, we're going to be talking about colors. We're going to be talking about shapes. We're going to be talking about numbers. Okay. So one of the things I thought about when I thought about the animals on the farm is the legs. Have you ever thought about how many legs the different animals have that's on the farm? Let's look at some of them. Let's look at the chicken. The chicken has how many legs? If you said two, you are correct. It has one, two legs. How many legs does this pig have? One, two, three, four. The pig has four legs. So we're going to put the pig over here because he has four legs. Okay, so let's pick up the duck. How many legs does the duck have? Look, let's count. One, two. The duck has two legs. Let's go over here to the horse. How many legs does the horse have? One, two, three, four. The horse has four legs. We're going to put him over here with the pig. Let's go over here to the cat. How many legs does the cat have? One, two, three, four. The cat has four legs. This is a rooster. How many legs? Look closely, boys and girls. How many legs does the rooster have? He has one, two. He has two legs. How many legs does the cow have? One, two, three, four. The cow has four legs. What about the goose? How many legs does the goose have? One, two. The goose has two legs. We have a dog. How many legs does the dog have? One, two, three, four. The duck has four legs. So also, boys and girls, what color is this dog? White. If you said white, you are correct. And what's this on him? Looks like what? Circles. And what color are those circles? Black. If you said black, you are correct. So, a dog with black, we're going to say spots. And we're going to name him Spot. What breed of dog do you think that is? A Dalmatian. Looks like a Dalmatian to me. So we have all pretty little colors up here. We learn about this color. What color is this, boys and girls? If you said yellow, you are correct. What color is this horse? If you said orange, you are correct. This pig is pink. You said pink, you are correct. And our chicken here, yellow. You said yellow, you are correct. And what about our duck? If you said blue, you are correct. What about our rooster? Our rooster is red and black with a black tail. So if you said red and black, you are correct. And what about our goose? If you said gray, you are correct. And the cow here is white and black. Just like our Dalmatian Spot. So it's many useful things that the animals do on the farm. The horse can pull a carriage. The horse, you can ride them. You also have to feed the horse. So on a farm, the farm is a lot of work. You have chores. How many of you have chores at home where your parents tell you, okay, you have to clean your room every day, or they ask you to take out the trash, or they ask you to pick up the trash in the house, or clean up behind yourself after you eat. Those are chores that you do every day to make sure the house is nice and clean. And you're taking care of yourself. And for the animals, you have to take care of them. So your chores is to keep their area, their home, little section at the farm clean and keep them fed. And so we get food from the animals, from the pig. We get milk and food from the cow. And also the chicken. We get it from hens. And so now we're going to get into a little song. Okay? And I think you know this song. I think you've heard of this song before, boys and girls. Donald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here a oink, there a oink, everywhere a oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Oink oink here and a oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Quack quack here and a quack quack there. And a oink oink here and a oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baba here and a baba there, oink here and a neigh-neigh there, and a quack quack here and a quack quack there, and a oink oink here and a oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Donald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, and a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there, and a quack-quack here and a quack-quack there, and a oink-oink here and a oink-oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a E-I-E-I-O. With a hook over here and a gobble gobble there. Moo here and a moo moo there. A ba here and a ba ba there. And a neigh here and a neigh neigh there. A quack here and a quack quack there. And a oink oink here and a oink oink there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Great job, boys and girls. Old MacDonald had a farm. And on this farm, he would have some grass. He would have a fence. to keep his animals in and protect them. Oops, let me come back. Did you see? So, boys and girls, I will be back in just a moment with a story about On the Farm.